A severe winter storm wreaked havoc across southern Manitoba on Friday, prompting emergency alerts and leaving drivers stranded in treacherous conditions. Authorities urged all motorists to avoid highways, as blizzard conditions reduced visibility to near zero, leading to widespread chaos and over 50 reported collisions. The storm's impact was catastrophic, forcing the closure of numerous highways, including the Trans-Canada Highway from Winnipeg to Brandon, which remained shut for most of the day. By 5:30 p.m., some routes reopened, but conditions were still perilous in many areas. Manitoba's Emergency Management Organization issued an unprecedented alert, advising against all travel and warning drivers of the legal consequences of being on closed roads. In Steinbach, the Bethesda Regional Health Center declared a rare code orange early Friday following a multi-vehicle pileup near St. Anne, southeast of Winnipeg. The crash resulted in a sudden influx of injured patients, forcing hospitals to brace for emergencies. Health Sciences Center in Winnipeg also prepared for potential mass casualties as collisions continued to surge outside the city. One particularly harrowing incident occurred on Fermor Avenue, where a truck was wedged between two semis in a pileup involving 20 vehicles. Paramedics rescued the driver, who miraculously survived. Her husband, Chris Parks, recounted the horrifying moments after her vehicle was crushed. "It was a total whiteout," he said, still shaken by the experience.
Hello mga kaibigan, magandang hapon. Ayan mga friend, nag-i-snow. Hindi siya masyado.
Elsewhere, firefighters from Roland responded to another serious pileup involving 6 vehicles near highways 23 and 3. Daniel Boonstra, who ventured through the chaos, described his 2-hour, 100-kilometer journey as absolutely brutal, encountering multiple accidents and vehicles in ditches. "Once you leave the city, visibility is non-existent," he reported. Social media was flooded with images of the storm's aftermath. Cars mangled in pileups, highways buried in snow, and emergency responders working tirelessly to manage the devastation. In Winnipeg, municipal crews initiated snow clearing operations by 7 p.m., prioritizing main routes, while plowing efforts on major highways were paused due to hazardous conditions. Blizzard warnings issued by Environment and Climate Change Canada remained in effect throughout the day. Wind gusts reaching up to 100 kilometers per h combined with blowing snow to create deadly whiteout conditions, straining emergency response teams to their limits. By midday, the province issued another alert, imploring drivers to stay off the roads to ensure emergency vehicles could navigate unimpeded.
Yeah. Oh.
Pero kailangan mo strong, no? Tapos straight mo lang, ganyan.
Straight lang.
Ganyan.
Okay.
Despite some areas seeing up to 20 centimeters of snow, the real danger lay in the biting winds and rapidly changing conditions. Cold temperatures rivaling the season's lowest were expected to persist into the weekend, plunging the region into an Arctic freeze with temperatures 10 to 20 degrees below seasonal norms.
We're not going to work today.
Highway conditions gradually improved by evening, but the damage had been done. Reports of dozens of collisions, including a devastating accident near Deacon's Corner, underscored the storm's severity. Priority routes such as the Perimeter Highway and portions of Highway 1 reopened, but travelers were advised to exercise extreme caution.
Well, some snow and a blizzard developing this morning. Snowfall amounting to 2 centimeters. Wind northwest at 40, gusting to 60, then increasing to 70, gusting to 90 this morning. Temperature falling to minus 15 this afternoon, and wind chill minus 9 in the morning and minus 33 this afternoon. For tonight, partly cloudy, blowing snow this evening, and wind northwest at 40, gusting to 60, then diminishing to 20 near midnight. Low minus 25, wind chill near minus 34, with a risk of frostbite. Tomorrow, mix of sun and cloud, wind northwest at 30 kilometers an hour, temperature steady near minus 24, wind chill near minus 38, risk of frostbite. Near in the evening, low minus 26.
Emergency officials continued to emphasize the importance of staying sheltered. If you become stranded, do not leave your vehicle, the province warned. The frigid temperatures and relentless winds posed life-threatening risks for anyone exposed to the elements. As southern Manitoba begins to recover, the storm serves as a stark reminder of nature's unpredictable fury and the importance of heeding emergency warnings. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.